Hello friends, in this video I will tell you some features of Lincoln Electric 90 IFC Flux Core Welder. Plug in the Weld PAK 90 IFC wire feed welder anywhere. 120V input power is available. It's a versatile, user-friendly welding machine that welds up to 1/4 inch and can be used anywhere, from home workshops to construction sites. The machine comes with a full list of accessories including a welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, work cable and clamp. Metal case provides protection from the elements. Ideal for maintenance and mobile welders, thanks to its small and lightweight, 15 pounds, inverter design and shoulder strap for portability, a good choice for beginners or anyone looking for an easy-to-use welder. Don't let its compact size fool you, the Lincoln 90i delivers up to 90 amps of reliable power. Designed for flux core wire welding, it's perfect for tackling mild steel and other materials commonly used in small projects. Thanks to its smooth wire feed system and consistent output, you can achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. Weighing only a few pounds, the Lincoln Electric 90i is built for portability. From garages and workshops to outdoor repairs, this welder goes wherever the job takes you. Its quick setup means less time fumbling and more time welding. Perfect for small jobs and on-the-spot fixes. With a rugged metal case, the 90i is designed to withstand the demands of tough job sites. And with built-in thermal protection, you can weld with confidence knowing your machine is safeguarded against overheating. Ready to upgrade your welding game? The Lincoln Electric 90 IFC is your go-to solution for portability, power, and precision. Click the link in the description to order yours today and get welding. If you like this video of ours, then like, subscribe and share our channel. If you want to buy this product or get information about it, visit our website.